that 3,500, 4,000 years ago is prehistoric. Science does not know exactly how those societies worked. They don't even know the races of people that were involved. So please, Igbo people have no connection. Our history has no connection with such prehistoric dates. Please do away with it. 250,000 years, 500,000 years. Stop that. You're making a very big error. I've had people tell me also that there's been smelting sites that has been found in Igbo land that date back to about 3,700 years, 4,000 years ago. It was Igbo people that were on the site. Please, no archaeological institute has ever said it was Igbo people on that site, because that site falls into the prehistoric era. No archaeological institute ever said that Igbo people were on Lejja site.